the administration, he did not continue. Kaya wala mang mayor na magpatuloy. Wala mang mayor siguro. May problema pa yan. Sa kanya pa mapunta ang problema. Diba? But I have, you know, the nozzle of my gun. I have two nozzles there. Oh. The one is loud and the one is suppressor. Oh.
This is a bazooka. Bazooka. Oh, it's very heavy, huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful gun.
What's the model?
ZC Micro Evo 3.
Ilang rounds yan?
40 rounds ako ang per.
40 rounds?
Per month.
My enemy.
Morning!
So,
Sinong ito target shooting natin?
9mm?
9mm ko yan.
Pero original to.
Ayan, siya.
Wala kang refill?
Ito, refill ito.
Refill na
Itong black.
black ang refill.
May pang dump account. Pero ipaputok niya lahat.
May mag-dump account kayo?
Oo.
Bakit? Ipakita ko sa values ng parents mo.
Black yung ko yan. Ilang black rounds lang each siguro or 15 no? 10. That is tulong na yan.
Automatic, no?
Hindi, semi-automatic. Bawal. Check lang ka. So since na may bakal mo public unsa siya dapat mag-shade. Dapat mag-shade powder.
Oh.
Huwag ka lang magtakbo. Do not run. Okay, one more. 15 rounds, okay? Finally, you take it out. Okay? Okay. Firing! Nice one. Hit. Nice one. Cartoon. Okay.
Wow, nice.
Hit already.
Hit already.
Transfer here, the other side. No, that's it. The big blue one. Okay, hit the big blue one. Big blue. Nice one.
Wow.
He's a pro.
Nice one, one more. Nice one. Nice one, one more. One more. Okay.
Relax ka rin. Inhale, exhale. Then fire. Inhale. Hindi niya maigo.
Wala.
Samahan mo yung blue. Yung red.
Yung red, punta mo sa blue. Yung malapit na blue. Okay, that's blue.
Nakurot ako.
Sige lang, relax lang.
You're colorblind.
Colorblind.
Okay. You trust me?
Yeah.
Ano lang po, pa-release lang ng
Imagine mo lang na imagine mo yun. Imagine yung ulo ni Rito.
depende sa pwede pa mag-ano doon. Nandaya ka din.
Kala mo hindi pwede.
Hold this one tight. Hold it stable. Red, hold it at the blue one. Okay? Look at it. Just find it. Okay?
Oh.
Hit ka
The
agad.
circle one.
Oh.
Look, that's
Tumakan niya, oh.
Nakapwesto.
Okay, yes, that one. That metal one. Or that part is blue, okay? put your fingers if you're ready to fire. Nice!
Oh!
Ay, may gamit din sa ex ko.
Okay, one more.
Yeah, I can't see the rest of my yoke.
The blue one. Nice one. One more. Going left. Huwag mong tanggalin ang mata mo kaya para hindi siya maglipat ang sight mo. Clear? Firing! Pag matamaan mo ang bakal, huwag ka na magtira dito.
Hindi magalaw-galaw yung aking kamay.
Hindi magalaw.
Hold tight.
Okay, ano lang. Ganyan lang. Tapos dito, yan. Yan lang. Dito lang. Huwag mo yakap dito. Dito lang. Okay? Ganyan. Tapos itong dito, ipagkita mo yung puti papunta doon sa blue. Okay? Ganun lang. Okay?
Hadlok.
Yes. Hold tight lang. Huwag mo bitawan ng baril. Hinay lang. Sige lang. Fire when you're ready. Nice one. Up, 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 up!
Oy, 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 put it down! Mike!
Sorry, sorry. Okay, ready to fire. Fire when you're ready. Okay. Huwag mo ibaba ang baril mo. Doon lang parating na sa iyo.
Look at the red.
One more. Last one.
Mabig.
Kulang ito, saan ito nabili?
Di Arbor niya nakita may.
Kasi online o like
Online.
Ay?
Mura lang di 1 to
1,200? Parang yung mura yun.
But then online is
Iba yun.